Welcoming in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Range Rover Sport D300 Autobiography Dynamic, with an eye-catching Hakuba Silver exterior complementing the Matrix LED headlights. This Range Rover Sport also comes fitted with 22-inch alloy wheels, as well as keyless entry and privacy glass. The D300 engine boasts an impressive 295 brake horsepower, as well as getting you from 0 to 60 in just 7.1 seconds, also benefiting from low mileage. Stepping inside the Range Rover Sport now, we're just going to take a look at the driver's seat memory function, as well as a Meridian sound system, electric window controls and blind spot assist. Also featuring electric front seats, as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel, as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then just coming on up to that digital driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift, as well as a 2-zone climate control and the extremely responsive Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the heated and cooled front seats, rear camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. This Range Rover Sport offers complete versatility, coming with an electrically deployable tow bar, complemented by the advanced tow assist. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Range Rover Sport now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with rear climate control, as well as ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.